Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make columns in Microsoft Word. The Make Columns function in Microsoft Word is to divide text into several columns, resembling a newspaper or magazine layout. Usually, columns are used in articles, newsletters, or brochures to present information more efficiently and aesthetically. With this setting, documents can be adjusted for various design or publication purposes. So how to make columns in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, how to create columns in MS Word. Tap the Layout menu, then tap the down arrow image in the Columns menu. And the Columns menu display will appear. Please select 2 columns. And the text in Word will change to 2 columns. Repeat the previous method to choose to change the number of columns. Second, how to change columns in MS Word manually. Tap the Columns menu. And tap More Columns. The Columns menu will appear. To change columns automatically, enter the number of columns in the Number of Columns menu. For example, I use 5 columns. Third, when you want to make the above 2 columns and below into 2 columns as on the screen. The method is: block the text that will be made into 1 column below. Then tap the 1 columns option. Okay, that's an example of making columns in MS Word. You can follow this tutorial to create columns in your Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.